Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a project share. I made a couple of quick cards. I'm going out of town, and so I just had to make these real quick. This first card is a card for my daughter for her birthday. This is just a money card. This is an additional card that I'm giving her. And then I also had to make two cards for someone that passed away. My cousin's father-in-law passed away, and he was like an uncle to all of us because we grew up in the same church as kids, so that's how we knew their family. And so I made a card for her husband and for her mother-in-law. And about to go out of town, so I don't have much time, but so these are real quick, but you get the point. So they all are made on the craft Michael's Recollection envelopes and cards, and I just did some quick embossing because that's like one of the fastest way to make some cards. And so this one is a Darice Celebrate border one, so this is for my daughter, and for her I just did a quick card, and her name is Diamond, of course. I've said that a million times. So that's this embossing folder is Shamil, I think it is, yeah, and it just says shine bright, and this is on the Tim Holtz coral paper, and you had to sand it to get it to pop out like that. And then this is just some gemstone paper that I got from Tuesday morning. They had a big stack for like $2.99. And then on the inside, just some bling. On the inside, I just used the Celebrate is a little bee die, Happy Birthday is a Tim Holtz die, and then the diamond is a We Are Memory Keepers die. So quick, fun little card, you know, pun on her name, shining bright. And then the two sympathy cards, again, I don't know, green and brown was my color for some reason for both of those. But this one is a Sheena's embossing folder. In the back is the ripples, I think is what it's called. Thinking of You. That is Love Nicole die. They sell at AC Moore's, and this thing cut like butter. I mean, not only one pass, but everything just fell out perfectly. But anyway, I stacked it a couple times, so a little bit dimension, so I cut it out twice. And then this is also popped up. This label, that's a Spellbinders die, and then this strip right here is also popped up. And then this again is the Tim Holtz core paper, and I just sanded it down so some of the brown would come through. And then on the inside, that stamp is by Sizzix, and it just says with sympathy, and of course I'm gonna write a note in there. And then the other one was another Sheena embossing folder, and I forgot, this one is Wood Life or something like that, I think is what it's called. And I sanded that down as well. I can tell the difference in these dies by Sheena, Crafter's Companion, compared to the one by Shamil, because when I sanded this one, you got some color come off in other parts of it. But with these two embossing folders, it just came off only on that spot. So I did greatly appreciate that. And that was the stamp. I believe that's Heroes Art. And it says Sending You Warm Wishes. And then on the inside, that is Love Nicole die. It says With Sympathy. And of course, I write a note. And both of those I just embossed with Sympathy on it, which is also a Darice border strip embossing folder. So real quickly done, and I will be giving them those cards before I go out of town. But I just wanted to post that and show that real quick. Anyway, thanks for liking and subscribing and watching and commenting, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.